Are you running a financial services business and wondering how to protect yourself from unexpected accidents, lawsuits, or professional errors? Wouldn't it be amazing if there was a quick and easy way to get covered in just minutes? Check out the link in the description box below. Well, in this video, we're going to show you exactly how to get insurance for financial services here in the United States. Whether you're an accountant, tax preparer, financial advisor, or run any other financial services business, insurance is not just a box to check. It's a critical part of safeguarding your work and your business. Stick around as we walk you through the key steps on how to get the right insurance that'll give you peace of mind. Why you need insurance for financial services. Let's start with the big question: why do you need insurance in the first place? As a financial professional, you're dealing with sensitive information, client assets, and sometimes making critical decisions that impact your client's financial future. With this much at stake, even a small mistake can lead to a big lawsuit. And we all know how expensive those can get, right? For example, let's say you're an accountant and you make an honest miscalculation on a client's tax return. Next thing you know, they're suing you for damages. Without insurance, those legal fees and judgments are coming out of your pocket. Step 1. Understanding the types of insurance for financial services. So, how do you protect yourself from these kinds of scenarios? First, you need to understand the types of insurance available for financial service professionals. Let's break them down. Professional liability insurance. First up is professional liability insurance, also known as errors and omissions insurance, or simply E&O. This one's important because it helps protect you if you're accused of making a professional mistake. You'll get coverage whether that accusation is true or not. For example, an accountant might have E&O insurance to help cover legal fees if a client claims you made an error with their tax returns, even if it wasn't your fault. This type of insurance helps ensure that legal battles don't drain your bank account. General liability insurance. Now, what about accidents at your office or accidental damage to a client's property? This is where general liability insurance comes in. Let's say a client slips and falls at your office or your equipment accidentally damages something at a client's place. General liability insurance helps cover medical expenses, legal fees, or property damage claims. It's pretty much your go-to protection for the oops moments in life. Step 2. Other important insurance coverage to consider. Alright, so we've covered the essentials. But, depending on the type of financial services you offer, there are a few other types of insurance you might want to consider. Workers' compensation insurance. If you have employees, even just one, this coverage is typically required by law in most states. Workers' comp helps cover medical bills and lost wages if an employee gets hurt on the job. And remember, workplace injuries can happen in any type of business, even in an office. Commercial auto insurance. Do you use a car for your business? Whether you're a tax preparer heading to client meetings or a payroll services provider making the rounds, personal auto insurance usually won't cover business-related accidents. That's where commercial auto insurance steps in. Most states require this insurance if you use a vehicle for work. It helps cover expenses like medical bills and repairs in the event of an accident while you're out on the job. Commercial property insurance. Lastly, if you own or rent an office, you'll want to look into commercial property insurance. This coverage helps protect your business property, like your equipment, furniture, and inventory, in case of damage from events like fires or even burst water pipes. Step 3. How much does financial services insurance cost? By now, you're probably wondering, how much does all of this cost? Well, that's going to depend on a few factors. Let me break it down for you. Your insurance cost will vary based on things like your specific line of work, the type of clients you serve, where your business is located, how many employees you have, and your claims history. The good news is, with companies like Next, you can save up to 25% when you customize your coverage to fit your needs. You can get a free quote online in less than 10 minutes and adjust your coverage based on what you really need. How cool is that, right? Step 4. Getting a free quote and instant coverage. So how do you get started? It's super easy. Most insurance companies, like Next, allow you to get a free quote online. All you need to do is visit the website, enter some basic information like your profession, location, and business details, and you'll get an instant quote. From there, you can customize your options, choose what fits your budget, and boom, you're covered. And the best part? It takes less than 10 minutes. Once you purchase your policy, you can get shareable proof of insurance instantly, which is great if you need to provide documentation to clients or licensing agencies. Step 5. Managing your policy. After you're all set with coverage, managing your policy is a breeze. You can access it 24/7 to download your certificate of insurance or update any details as your business grows. Want to switch to monthly or annual payments? No problem. You can do that too, and there's no extra cost for getting proof of insurance whenever you need it. Final thoughts: get protected today. So, there you have it. Getting insurance for your financial services business in the US doesn't have to be complicated or time-consuming. Whether you're an accountant, financial advisor, or tax preparer, having the right insurance can make all the difference in protecting your business, your reputation, and your clients. Don't wait until it's too late, get covered today. One of the best platforms to get insurance for yourself or your business is Next Insurance. They offer coverage at an affordable price that is tailored to practically every industry in the USA. You can check them out with the link in the description below the video and the pinned comment as well and get a quote today. The full review of Next Insurance is also linked down in the description box. Thank you for watching this video. Please remember to like and subscribe to our channel if you love our videos.